So perimeter is adding up all the sides of the outside of the figure. So the only sides that we're going to add up are these sides on the outside. So what do we got? We've got x plus 4 plus 5 plus another 5 plus blank. But since we have 4 right angles here, we know that that's a rectangle, and rectangles have opposite sides that are the same length, or we call them congruent. So we know that this guy over here is also 4. So the perimeter of this figure is x plus, see there's 10 plus 8, 18. Now for finding the area, we need to think about this kind of house-shaped figure as being made up of smaller figures that we can find the area of, because we don't have a formula for the area of the side of a house. But we do have formulas for area of a rectangle and area of a triangle. So basically what we need to find for the area of the house shape is going to be the area of the rectangle plus the area of the little triangle on the left plus the area of the little triangle on the right. So the area of the rectangle, area of rectangle is length times width, so this would be x times 4, which is 4x. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, where the base and the height have to be perpendicular to each other. So we've got this height right here and this base right there. But what is this base? You know, it might be easier to think of this as one triangle just sitting on top. So if we just think about it as one triangle on the top, then the area of the house is going to be equal to the area of the rectangle plus the area of this one triangle on the top. And it's a little easier to figure out what the base and the height of this triangle are. The height is going to be 3, and the base all the way across is x, because the rectangle has the same length of opposite sides. So if this guy is x, then this guy has to be x. So our formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, the base is x, the height is 3. So let's see what that gives us. 4x plus 1/2 of 3 is 3/2. So 3/2x. And then if we want to add, these are like terms, so we can add them together. So we need to figure out what is 4 plus 3/2. Well, 4 is 4/1, 4 ones. And if we multiply the top and bottom by 2, we get that that's 8/2. So 4 is the same as 8/2. So 8/2 plus 3/2 is 11/2. So this is 11/2 x for the area of the big house shape. So we got perimeter is x plus 18. Area is 11/2 x. As a side note, if you're an anti-fraction person, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, so you can also call it the area is is 5.5x. Now, this figure had the wacky property that the perimeter in units is equal to the number of square units of area. So we can set the x plus 18 equal to the 11 over 2x, or the 5.5x, and solve for x. Find out how long that guy is. So x plus 18 equals, so the perimeter equals the area, so 5.5x. I got x's on both sides. I've got more of them over here, so I'm going to get rid of this guy over here. So it's a positive x, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. X minus x is 0, so we have 0 plus 18 is 18 on the left, and 5.5 minus 1 is 4.5. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4.5, because right now x is multiplied by 4.5, so the opposite of that is dividing by 4.5. And we're going to get 18 divided by 4.5 is 4. So x equals 4. So the perimeter is 4 plus 18, which is 22 feet, if these are feet. And the area is 5.5 times 4, which is 22 square feet.